Yo, what's up, guys? This is Danny Felix here, and this is GBPUSD, the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, so let's go to the monthly. Let's see what the monthly is telling us about the monthly. As you can see, the monthly is on a sweet end pattern, and it just break the neckline, which is this point. It just break the neckline, which is this point. Which is this point. Yeah, yeah, which is this point. And if you check it out, the first touch it rejects, it went back, it went to this point, it rejects, it sold down to this point. The first touch is when it came here, it came here, so it came here, it sold down to this point, it formed chart pattern, it double bottom, it went up again to this point, and it's formed double, yeah, double and now it's forming a double top, it's giving us a double top, which is the confirmation for a sell on the monthly time frame. So now it now break, it sold down to this point, and it have finally break the neckline. So the first, if you notice it, the first candle that broke the neckline, there was serious rejection on that candle. The candle rejected and formed a very dodgy. So now, and it's another candle now have covered the imbalance. So let's go to the weekly time frame. You can see from the weekly that the markets have been ranging. It's from a double bottom at this point, from a double bottom at this point, it went up, from a double top, it sold down, it's reject, range, it sold down, it went up, it from a double bottom, it rally up, an end pattern to the downside. So now, if we check it out, USD GPY from this point, as it was ranging, it was doing what they call break and retest. It broke this place and it retest, it sold down again. It broke and it retest, it sold down again. So now if you check it out, it broke, it didn't retest this breakout, it retest it now, is breaking it completely now. So let me do it like this, you can see it where. So yeah, this rejection over here this rejection over here is the strong distance. So this place now, this demand now over here, this was, you can check it out, this is a support and this is a demand, because this demand now is the place that price touch it once, and there was more listen activities on it. Because if you check it out now, the first candle that sold down to this place rejected, the second one also rejected, and it's also formed a bearish, it also form a bullish engulfing. So now let's go to the daily time frame. Yeah, the daily time frame. Let's see what the daily have for us. Let's zoom in. Let's see what the daily have for us. Yeah, this is the daily time frame of GBPUSD. This is the daily time frame of GBPUSD. If you check it out, you see what I'll be talking about. It have been on a break and retest. This thing. Let's use our trend line to see what the market is telling us. Let's take it peak to peak. Let's see. So, okay, so now, actually, if you check it out from this place, but this one now is the major These are let's take this one now as our major trend line. So let me do another one. Okay, so yeah. Let's go to our 4 hours time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what the 4 hours time frame have for us in details. Let's see what the 4 hours time frame have for us in details. Yo, the 4 hours time frame actually now is on a strong bearish move. It's on a strong bearish move. Because if you see now, it started rejecting from this point. It started rejecting from this point. This first touch rejected. Second point now is rejecting from this point. So now, which is to say this thing now is up this 50-50. We have to wait for the breakout of this structure, this demand zone. You have to wait for the breakout of this place and the retest for us to continue for ourselves. So you have to wait for the breakout and retest of that place for us to continue our sell. And if we check it out, that place is a psychological level. If you check it out, that place is a psychological level. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yeah. The psychological level must be from the current price. It must be from the current price. This is our metal. So as you can see now, let's go again. Let's go again. Another psychological level. Psychological level must be 50 pips. 50 pips. So yeah, you can see that this place now is a strong psychological level, and this place is a strong psychological level. Price will add to this point, and if you look at that, if you check out here, price also will add to this point. So let's go back. This is back testing. This is back testing. Yeah, this is back testing. You can see here. Then we put it. I put it on top it. Here is another 50 pips. So now if you check it out, it will add to this point, it will add to this point, and also price reacted at this point too. So let's this this psychological level 50 pips. So now let's take it let's take another one downside. Let's take another one to the downside. Let's take another one to the downside. Yeah, I see price will also react to this point too. Price, if price gets to this particular point, price will react to it. So let's go back to weekly. Let's go back to weekly. Let's see. Let's check one of the things. Let's check one of the things. Let's check one of the things. For those of you that have not entered trade on GBPUSD, there's still opportunity to go for a sell. There's still opportunity to go for a sell after the break and the retest of the 4 hours. There's still an opportunity after the break and the retest of this 4 hours candle, because the moment it break it must come for a retest. Let me show you something like this. The moment it break it, something like this, the downside. That is what we're expecting from GBP. No, the downside. That is what we're expecting. Yeah, incoming. That's what we're expecting. And let's calculate how many pips. Let's calculate how many pips we're anticipating. We're anticipating 318 pips. Anticipating 318 pips to the downside. So this is a big clear opportunity for us. This is a clear opportunity for us. For those of you who have not taken any trade on GBP USD, because actually I and my team caught this trade. We caught this trade from this point. I and my team caught this trade on this point. Yeah, we caught the trade on that point, and we all are on massive profit. We are on massive profit, cool profit. So that is it for GBPUSD, and let's just check out 15-minute time frame, because that's where I normally take my entries. I normally take my entries on 15 minutes time frame. That's where I normally take my sweet entries. Take my sweet entries from. So just it. You can see it's forming a chart pattern. This is a double bottom. So now it's testing the double bottom now. What it's doing is gathering momentum for a sell. And if you check it out at this point, its price form a double bottom to the downside, pull back. It form another double bottom. Me widen it. It's from another double bottom here. It's sell down. It's from another double. See, so it's doing break and retest. That the market is just performing chart patterns. So that is just it. So if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks.